attitude, excellence, and of course, why kadadahang beauty. Name it, kasama has it all. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Pasanyans, mayong buntag kanyang tanan. But before I do my speech, pasensya sa pagaw na tingog. But nonetheless, I have to do so. Your faces are very, very beautiful today, this morning, and those faces would be the Pasanian student body which I will serve in the next 30th Congress. Standing in front of you is James Macjal Lota, the standard bearer of the Kasama Leaders Movement and your future SSC president. If you would ask me one thing, and that would be why I chose Kasama Leaders Movement and why you should also choose Kasama Leaders Movement, simple. Because in Kasama Leaders Movement, we are a family that knows the term service. A family and not a political party in which you have to run in an office just to be what? Famous, to be prominent, to have discounts, but not because we are a family I can count on, a family you can rely on, and a family that accepts you for who you are. Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you, your future SSC president, without a mask, without pretension, and I am very much proud to say that James Macjalota is 101% straight gay. But nonetheless, and in spite of the fact that I am gay, I know leadership does not define sexuality. Am I right? Very much right. Therefore, I myself would salute and bow to the Kasama Leaders Movement for a very successful 29th Congress. From the President down to the Auditor and some of the issues for a Kasama Leaders Movement. And I personally would say that out of my 3 years existence of UPS University as a college student, that was my first time to experience and felt what is it to be a part of SSC and what is it to be a part of the Kasama Leaders Movement. Ladies and gentlemen, with my conviction, with your support, with their advices and his guidance, I know I can make it. Because together, you and I can make things happen for a better vision, for a better USGR. Now, let me present to you my visions for the 30th Congress. We have the acronym FIGHTERS. Again, that is FIGHTERS. FIGHTERS spelled out not F-I-G-H-T-E-R-S, but FIGHTERS, F-I-T-E-R-S. First, financial education. This is to provide students with the financial awareness and to provide them with seminars and lectures to promote financial education in which students will be able to value money irregardless of its amount. Second is inter-school competition. I know all of you, we have potential, unique individuals with unique skills and abilities, and I therefore appreciate those skills. Therefore, for us to be the best, we have to compete with the best. And I believe that competing with the best would bring out the best of you, because only the best is good enough for you and JR. And second is talent center. Putting up talent center will hold the skills, the talent of all individuals, of all Australian studentry. Second is the environmental awareness. We all know that we are facing challenges brought about by climate change. And now, this is our time to move. As a tourism advocate of environmental awareness, we have the right to protect Mother Earth. Yes, indeed, Mother Earth will remain living without humans. But without Mother Earth, humans won't exist. And lastly, second is the reinforcement of financial assessment in SSC. And lastly is the special education. Ladies and gentlemen, if you just know that a small part in Basak campus, there are special children who need our love, our support, our care. They have the right to enroll. They have the right to live freely. They have the right to grow. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very much proud and honored to be a part of the Kasama Leaders Movement, because in spite of all the controversies, issues, and whatsoever circumstances it may be, we stand firm. We stand strong with our principles, beliefs, and I will continue that legacy to serve each one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is James Machalota, una-una, J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez, kundi James Lota. Thank you and have a blessed